Hello, I welcome you all to my site. The name of my site is suvidyaglobal.com, and in this presentation of 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to describe the IELTS course that we conduct at our center and how can we help you to clear the IELTS test. We have IELTS course meant for beginners as well as advanced learners, the people who are not very good at English and those who come from very good English background. Both require some specialized coaching to make sure that they score the required bands in the IELTS test. So we have divided our course into two parts, the foundation course and the advanced course. The foundation course is meant for those participants who come from Hindi speaking background and who want to first build a strong base to take the IELTS test. There's no point starting with IELTS preparation unless you have a very strong background in English and you have got a very strong foundation. So that is why we suggest you to take the foundation course first in case you are not fluent with English or you want to develop your confidence to speak in English, and then you can go for taking the full IELTS test, which comprises of the sections of listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So here is my site wherein I'll be showing you some stories. I'll be sharing some stories of successful participants, how they cleared IELTS and what kind of background they came from. So we have got Gaurav who cleared IELTS. He was a very dedicated and persistent fighter, I would say. He it was not he cleared the IELTS in his first attempt, but he never gave up and he cleared the test. He used to work as a data scientist. So he was from, I mean, he is still in US, and he wanted to clear IELTS. The main hurdle he was facing was in writing, and a few times in reading as well. Uh, but then he prepared for the test. He consistently worked on his weaknesses, and he finally cleared the test with the required scores. Uh, we have Inderjeet here. So, what we have done is we have converted all our course material in the form of small tutorials. You can save them in your mobile phone. So, even when you are traveling from your home to your office, or when you are doing some work at home, you can simply go through these tutorials. They are step by step, small bites of we can say capsuled courses that help you to learn the golden nuggets of IELTS, the strategies and tactics regarding writing, listening, reading, and speaking. So you don't have to dedicate a given time or uh, you know a dedicated time, a fixed time to your learning. You can flexibly learn according to your schedule. आपके पास जब भी आपका टाइम होता है आप उस समय इसको सीख सकते हैं. तो आपके पास ना तो कोई डिपेंडेंसी होती है कि जब ट्रेनर अवेल होगा तभी सीखना होगा, या आपको मान लीजिए ट्रेनर कभी तबीयत ख़राब है या कहीं गए हुए हैं तो आप नहीं सीख पा रहे हैं, या आपको कहीं पे इंस्टीट्यूट में जाकर सीखना है, तो वो सारे बंधनों से आपको मुक्ति मिल जाती है. You can very easily learn all the skills at your home. You can do the assignments given to you. Send your assignments to me. I can evaluate and give a corrective feedback to you, and I can also tell you the next step to follow. You just have to keep follow one step at a time, and you reach your destination. So we have tried to make it in a very simple manner, so that you can learn all the skills on an autopilot mode. You know what is your next step, you do that step, you submit it, and you get a corrective feedback. That's how it is. So Inderjeet is here, as you can see. She used her travel time to learn all the skills, and in the bus she used to do all the work, she used to attend all the lessons, and she used to work and write essays. I used to give feedbacks to her, and in her very first attempt she cleared the IELTS test and got the required bands in the IELTS general test. Similarly, there are lots of participants like Kamaljeet here. Kamaljeet used to work for a contact center. Her main challenge was reading. She was not very confident about her reading skills, and when she came, she had lots of doubts about reading, to the extent that she thought she would never be able to clear the reading test. But then when her result came, she scored 8 bands in her reading, and she also used the simple steps of just taking one step at a time. That simple process of taking one step at a time takes you to your destination, and that's what we believe in. Once you do an assignment, we give you a feedback on that. You just have to take one step at a time and keep moving forward in the direction of your dreams. Similarly, Ayushi is there. Ayushi is a businesswoman who cleared IELTS in her first attempt. Again, she also did the same strategy, took one step at a time, cleared her IELTS general test in her first attempt. We have Neha here. Neha is from Bangalore. She did her online. All these participants are the ones who did our online course. So Inderjeet, Ayushi, Neha, they all did. Like Neha is from Bangalore, and she did the online course and cleared the test with flying colors and got her required bands in the first attempt. We have Jatin. Jatin is now in Canada. He also did the course with us, and in his very first attempt got the required bands and cleared it. We have Chinmay. Chinmay was from he was a 12th class student, cleared the IELTS test, went to Canada, and now he's studying there. So all these participants, apart from these, there is a complete list of participants who have cleared the test. As far as the trainer is concerned, I've been training for almost 15 years. I did my certification from British Council, and then I also did certifications for TOEFL and PTE. So all these certifications give me confidence to share with you the most uh, authentic and most useful strategies and tactics to clear the test. So there are lots of like for example, we have got Vidya here. Vidya is from Chennai. She's a doctor, and she took the academic test. In the first attempt, she got the required bands and cleared, and did her medicine. We have Hina from Hyderabad. She also cleared the academic test in her first attempt and got her required scores. We have Dr. Sinha. Dr. Sinha is from Kolkata. All of these participants did the online course, and some of them first did the foundation course and then went for the advanced course and finally cleared the test. So these are the scores. I have also posted their scores and feedbacks here, and the strategies they used, what challenges they faced, and how they all those uh, overcame all these challenges. So I would request you to go through this site. It will give you a clear idea of how you can prepare and get the required scores. All right, thank you so much.